I don't think you could possibly see me like in this light, but never mind. Hey everyone, what is up? Louis Vlogs and Games here, and welcome to a brand new game by Bantech called The Lanes 10-Pin Bowling in Roblox. So basically a new game has arrived, new type of sport, and gotta be honest, a new bowling game. Absolutely amazing straight away with a bunch of arcades. And look at the bowling alley, for example. There's more lanes than RoBowling. There's 6 more, so there's now 16 lanes in this game. And instead of just respawning at a random lane, you can just pick whatever lane you like. Not like RoBowling, like when you ask them to play a game, well, you'll just be teleported to a random lane. So you can just pick any lane. So we'll pick lane 11 for the lane. So we'll just do the barriers off. Let's do it for, I don't know why. Then I'll be the host and we can get started with the game. Here we go! It's your turn to let the ball to use. Okay, so we've got to hold on to this and let's see. You can rate the ball from 6 to 16, so let's start with a 10, okay? So we're just going to go straight down, okay? Nice and easy. Just have a look at this and have a get a strike. Okay, that's good so far. That's 8 pins. By the way, guys, this is an early access, so this only costs 40 Robux to get in the game quite early, but soon it will be released free to everyone to play. Let's go with an 11 ball rate. Okay, let's see if we can knock these 2 down. Oh, I got a bit of spin to the right there. Okay, let's hope that is a spare. Oh, you idiot. Okay, frame 3 now. Let's let a ball. Let's do 11 ball rate again. Okay, that is straight down the middle. That could be a strike right now, guys. Okay, here goes nothing. You never know. Oh, come on, man. Alrighty then. Oh, got a bit of spin to the right now. That could be enough to get me a spare. Come on, come on. Oh, thank you very much. Yes. Okay, so it looks like we're on frame 3 now. So let's pick another 11. Okay, right, that's straight down the middle, put a bit to the right, so hoping that could be enough to get me the strike. Oh, what the hell was that? Let's keep the 11 ball weight again. I don't think I'm going to get this anyway, because look at the way I'm going to throw this ball, and that's not going to do anything. Nope, what a rubbish throw that was. Guys, I have been practicing twice on this when I was not recording, so I decided to record it right now, because I don't know why, but I just want to check this out anyway for a video. Okay, that could be a strike here. Let's see if it's a strike. Come on! Oh, come on, man. 9 pins is still very good, though, to be honest. Okay, back to me now. Let's probably playing it safe and do a 6, okay? Right. Oh, I'm definitely going to get that now, okay? Let's see what it looks like with a 6 ball. Oh, I thought I didn't knock that down there, but lucky I did. Thank God for that. Okay, let's try a 10 ball rate this time, okay? Let's see if we can knock all these pins down this time, okay? Oh, I'm not sure about this. Are you kidding me? I'm not playing very well tonight, aren't I? Like, seriously. Very bad. I keep missing out on strikes and spares, man. Okay, let's just hope for the very best I can knock these down, okay? Let's go for... I'll stick with a 10. And, oh, okay, got to put a spin to the right there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, my God, what a shot that was. Oh, my God, that's unbelievable. And I got a badge for just doing that. Unbelievable! Okay, so we're only halfway through the game, man. Okay, let's do 11 ball again. Let's throw it in a straight line. That is straight enough for a strike. Go on! Yes! Finally, I got a strike. Thank goodness. Yes! I skipped through a bit of a gameplay on this, but right, let's see what we do with a 16 ball. Wait, I want to check it out, okay? Oh, I'm not sure about that, but it is a really heavy ball, though. And then to its spin to the right and only knocked 4 pins down. That is absolute bull crap. Stupid kingpin. Really? You're gonna be kidding me. Another split, man. Oh, this is gonna be a challenging one. Let's hope this is enough to get the spare. Come on, let's get on with it anyway. Oh my God, he's done it again, man. Oh my God, I'm the king of the splits here, man. Let's hope Louis can get another strike here. Come on, come on, come on. Get on! Yes, another strike! Exactly what I needed! I feel like this is like the final throw. Let's use a 16 ball anyway. Come on, let's do it. That's not going to go anywhere. Look at that. That was terrible. Got a ball! So it looks like I finished the game on 149 points. So that's a very good score for a video, isn't it? That's not bad, as I first recorded this video. Okay, let's find a place to end the video. Well, anyways, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really hope you did enjoy it. And if you did, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And until next time, see you all in the next one. Goodbye, guys. See ya.